I just want to show you something, guys. So the idea actually works, but what I need to do, I was using the wrong tap for this because I was just using regular tap. The tap for the hose, like you can go all the way through and tap it all the way to the bottom of the hole. However, here obviously the bar is stopping the tap going past the end of the hole, so we need to buy a new tap. It's called a plug tap, I believe. So I just order a plug tap so we can get threads all the way down to the hole, because if you use this, the threads are not established enough, and this thumb screw is just loose in the hole. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna drill it bigger and use M8 bolt. This one was M6. Got M8 plug tap so we can establish threads all the way down, so that will work. So but we know the idea will work to lock this bar in place so it doesn't go down while we're spinning it. And also now what we're gonna be doing, we're going to take this piece and take the surface rust off, make it looking a little bit better, and we're probably gonna, after that we're probably gonna make a base for this vise so we can clamp to the workbench and move it along. So yeah, that's the project update, and let's just carry on working on this vise. So this is as far as I'm gonna go with the cleaning up the device. This is gonna be a user vice, so I'm not gonna go crazy. Just want it to be usable and just wanted to get rid of the rust formed over the years. So now I call it good enough vice for me. So to protect it from rust, I'm gonna use this wax. Wax means to wax, machine wax. I use it for my table saw, cast iron table saw. So we're gonna, it's perfect occasion to use it on the vise. I'm just gonna apply it with the old rag to just protect it from further rusting. And I'm gonna call it a day in terms of cleaning up the vise. Like I said earlier, we're waiting for the tap to tap this hole with the correct tap, plug tap, and the next step is gonna be mount this vise onto a wooden board, so we can clamp to the workbench and move it around if we need to. So let me just protect the surface from further rust, and we're gonna move on. Together. Yeah. We have already received a parcel with our bottoming tap. It's M8 size, so I'm going to drill this hole bigger and tap it using this bottoming tap for our blind hole. The thread's gonna be cut pretty much all the way to the bottom. That's why it's called bottoming plug, I think. So let me do this, and I'll see you after the operation is done.